Hello guys, welcome to Online Web Tutor. I am Sanjay. We are learning CodeIgniter for framework tutorial. This is our partner 15. Inside this video session guys, we will start about query builder class. And this is the second approach to execute our database queries. In the first section, we have completed all about the concept of raw queries. Inside that, we had seen all about insert operation, delete, update, as well as select operation. Now inside this, we will start the second approach for all the database operation by using query builder class. So if I back to editor, this is our .env file environment file. Go to app, controllers. Let's open about all about site controller.php. Now inside this file, let's create a method something public function. Let's get data2, and inside this method we are going to use our query builder concept. So first of all, to use the concept of query builder, we need an instance variable. So let's say builder equal to this db. Again we are going to use the concept of same this db, but this time we have some more methods to use inside this query builder approach. So this db, we have the table method, and inside this method we need to pass the table name. So as we know that inside our database right now we have only a single table called tbl_users, and inside this table we have 3 different rows. So what I will do, I will copy the table name back to editor, and I will pass the table name inside this table method. Go here, let's say data equal to builder, and we are going to use get method. Let's add a formatting tag called pre. Let's use PHP function called print data. Now if we save this change, and also we have to make a route, so go to config, routes.php, open up there, and let's create a route for that. So routes get, and this will be something called list data -2, and it is going to call site controller. Now inside this site controller, if you back to controller, and here we have the method called get data2. If I copy that method, putting a scope resolution operator and pasting it here. So what we have to do, we have to simply copy the route name back to browser. Let's say here it will be something index.php, and here we have list -data2. So this is all about, we are getting all about connection details. Here we have the first key as affected rows. It means total number of rows inside our table equal to 3. This is all about client info, client version, and so on. But we are not interested to see all these details. Instead, we want all the rows what we have inside this table, means we want all about the data. Now before that, again back to editor, go to controller. What I will do, simply if I copy this line, this is our raw query approach, and if I make comment of these lines, and simply if I paste this line, this is all about data, this db query select all from tbl users. It means this is the execution of raw query method. Here inside this raw query, we are simply selecting all the data from this tbl_users. Now if we save this change, back to browser, reload this page, and as we can see that we are getting the same response for that method as well. So here, as we know that while using this raw query approach, we have used some methods to retrieve the data called get result array, and so on. So how can we tackle this query builder class to get all the data? Simply, this is the 2 lines what we have added. Now what I will do, simply after this get method, let's say get result. Now if we save this change, back to browser, reload this page, and as we can see that this time we have all the data. Here we have array. Here we have object. It means we are getting array of objects, and as we know that if we want to convert into array format, either we can pass array here. If we save reload, we are getting arrays, as well as if we not want to pass this value, so instead we need to call the method called getResultArray. Now save this change, again back to browser, reload this page, and we have the same output. So now we have the idea to that how can we use our query builder class. From the next videos we will see all about, by the help of this builder instance means query builder approach, how can we achieve all about insert operation, select operation means by using where condition, delete, update, and so on. So if I back to slide, before going that, if I let's say copy this line, back to slide, open a new tab, pasting it here. So this is here data equal to this db query and simple select query. This is what we have as method equal to 1. Now we have used the concept of query builder class. So let's say builder equal to this db. We have now this time a table method. Inside this we need to pass the table name called table users, and finally for the data we have used called builder variable. So here builder, we have used get method as well as get result to get our data. The same method means get result, the same method we have used here inside this raw query approach as well. So here this is all about our method number 2. Now inside this method number 2, instead of writing 2 different lines, we can merge into single one and execute our query as well. How can we do? Simply cut this from here and pasting it here. So this db table get and get result. So behind the scene this is going to generate the same query what we have written here, but this is more secure to be write in comparison of writing raw queries. This is by the help of means the concept of SQL injection we have protected in terms of this like query builder approach. So what I will do, if I simply copy this line, back to editor, comment all these lines, let's say data equal to, and this is our query. Now save all these changes, go and reload this page. Now output remains same. So in the next video guys, we will discuss some more methods about insert, update, delete and where conditions, and we will see from the next videos. So for this video session guys, thank you for watching and have a great day.